And now, your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, folks, this is what is left of a significant severe weather outbreak in Missouri, parts of Iowa, down into Kansas and Oklahoma today. In fact, in Missouri, we had a little Boeing derecho. Band of storms passed through with winds of 80 to 100 miles an hour and a lot of structural damage. But this is weakened a lot, and it is on the way east. Notice here's our viewing area. It's now crossing the I-55 corridor and getting closer to I-57 here west of the state line. So it is speeding up a little bit. It will be in here later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. That's really the focus of my outlook right now. Notice on 3D here, again, we'll have this band of rain, perhaps a few embedded thunderstorms in the morning hours, then a bit of a break. And if we can destabilize things enough with a little bit of sunshine, we may see a few isolated thunderstorms pass through in the early afternoon along a cold front. But what's changed since 6 o'clock is the fact that Easter is looking warmer. It's looking like low 70s on Easter now after a cold start. In fact, we could be in the upper 30s for Easter morning. And then, of course, we've got that severe threat by Tuesday evening, which just still looks to be in place. Notice on FUTURECAST, again, there's the rain by 1 a.m., really close to I-57. We're in the midst of that little band of rain with perhaps a few embedded thunderstorms at 8 o'clock in the morning. That'll pass through. We may get into a bit of a break around noon with a peep or two of sunshine. Temperatures may warm into the mid-60s, and we may see a few isolated thunderstorms form on the actual cold front. That'll pass through in the very early afternoon hours before it all clears out. We'll see mainly clear skies, patchy fog, and cold temperatures. In fact, we'll drop into the upper 30s tomorrow night. And for Easter itself, check it out. Mostly sunny skies. Again, highs beautiful, running in the lower 70s. But things are going to start to change next week after a high 72 on Sunday, 72, 73 degrees, mid-70s Monday with a few scattered thunderstorms as a warm front lifts northward. This will usher in some heat and some humidity, 81 on Tuesday. But all the supercells off to the west with a tornado, a large hail threat will gel into a squall line of severe storms, and these may pass through our area between 8 and midnight Tuesday evening. So we're going to watch that severe threat, but sharply colder with a frost and a freeze later next week before we warm right back up. As a matter of fact, by next Saturday, a week from this Saturday, we're going to be back in the 70s, even pushing 80 degrees. Tonight, though, 64, clouding up, some showers and thunderstorms late. Again, falling into the 50s once the rain begins, though. A little rain in the morning, then a break, and perhaps a few isolated thunderstorms early afternoon as the cold front goes through tomorrow. Windy, highs in the mid-60s. Warmer for Sunday, low 70s or in the mid-70s on Monday. A few scattered storms as a warm front passes. Tuesday evening will be the time to watch, Nicole, about 8 to midnight there. Potential of a line of severe storms passing through before we see a freeze and some frost later on next week.
And I know you'll be here watching that for us.
Of course.